Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your computer to an earlier date if it's not working for whatever reason. So you can just hold down the power button, and we want to completely shut it off. And we're going to force our computer to launch into the recovery screen. So if it's not loading for some reason, this is one method that can be extremely beneficial. So once it's turned off, just hold down the power button, and we're going to interrupt the startup process 3 times. And on the 4th time, it'll go into the diagnostics, and it should repair the computer, and it'll give us the option to restore. So I think everything's turned off. I'm going to turn on the computer by pressing the power button. When I see the symbol, wait a second, and then hold down the power button. 1 second, I'm going to hold down the power button. Then my computer's turned off. Turn it on again. Then we're going to see the symbol, and we're going to do this 2 more times. So I see the symbol. Let's hold this down. Turn it on. And then we're going to see the symbol. And this is our last time doing it. So we should be seeing it. 1 second. Turn it off. Now on this 4th time, I'm just going to turn on my computer. And then I'm going to let it start up. And this time when we see the symbol, we should see preparing automatic repair down here. So if we have a hard drive issue or something like that, Windows not loading, we can just try this out. Now it says diagnosing my PC, nothing's wrong with it, but it's just going to prompt it to go to the recovery screen anyways. So you don't need any kind of installation media or anything like this laying around right now. You can force it into the recovery screen, and you can try to fix it just by doing this. If you really do have a big problem, you can go to Microsoft.com, download Windows 11, the media installation, and there is an option to recover your PC if you go ahead and do that. So we can press enter now. Here's the recovery screen. Go down to Troubleshoot. Now we can go to Troubleshoot. You do have the option to reset your computer, factory reset it if it's not working. You can keep all your files too. You don't have to worry about anything being deleted. Then we got the option to start up repair, system restore. Now if you got Bitlocker on your computer, it can be quite annoying because you have to enter in like a 48 character code right here. You got to go to Microsoft, actually you got to go to aka.ms/myrecoverkey, and you should be able to find a recovery key online. So if we go to right there, go to that website and type in that code, and you should be able to restore it right there. And then you can go to continue. So I'm going to go to skip this drive right here. It says restore system files. System restore can fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your document pictures. Okay. The problem is I don't have any restore points because it says to create a restore point, open system protection. System protection is available only on line operations. Okay. So I don't have the ability to do this. I just reset my computer a couple of days ago, and also I have to type in that darn code. So you do have the option, but you can look into other options too. Like you can reset this PC, and you're going to be able to keep all your folders and stuff anyways. You start up repair process, uninstall updates, command prompt, startup settings, change Windows startup behavior. You can enable boot into low resolution mode, maybe you plugged into something that doesn't support the current resolution. Enable safe mode, so you can launch in one of those if something's not working. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.